Welcome to GetGlimpse channel. Slack is a powerful channel-based messaging platform that has become the modern standard for workplace communication. For beginners, its many features can seem a bit overwhelming, but understanding a few core concepts will help you get started quickly and efficiently. Here's the fastest way to get started with Slack as a beginner. The first step is to understand the core concepts. Before even you start clicking, get familiar with these Slack's fundamental building blocks. The first fundamental block is Workspace. This is your company or team's central hub on Slack. It's a single shared space here where all your work and conversations happen. We also have channels. This is where the magic happens. Channels are the core of Slack's organization. Think of them as dedicated chat rooms for a specific project, team, or topic. Instead of sending a group email, you can post a message in a channel so all relevant conversations and files are in one place. Channels are usually named with a hashtag, e.g., hash general, hash proj website launch, like that. Also, we have direct messages, that is DMs. These are one-on-one or small group conversations for one-off discussions that even don't need a public channel. We also have threads. When you want to reply to a specific message, you can use a thread. This keeps conversations organized and prevents them from getting cluttered. Using threads is one of the most important habits to learn. Now, the second step is to set up your profile and notifications. This is the first thing you should do after joining a workspace. Start by filling out your profile. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. Then select Profile and click on Edit Profile. Add a clear photo, your job title, and a few details about what you do. This helps your team know who you are. The second thing is to configure your notifications. Go to Preferences and then Notifications. Don't set it to notify you for all new messages unless you want to be overwhelmed. A better choice is direct messages, mentions, and keywords. You can also set a notification schedule to align with your work hours. The third step is to learn the key actions. Now that you are set up, here are the most important things you need to know how to do. First of all, it's sending a message. Find the channel or DM you want to send a message in the sidebar. Click on the message field at the bottom. Type your message and press enter to send. Also, we have mentioning a teammate. To get a specific person's attention, type the @ symbol followed by their name, e.g. @John Smith, like this. This will send them a notification. Also, we have using emojis. Emojis are more than just fun reactions in Slack. They can be used as a quick way to show approval, acknowledge a message, or even act as a to-do list. Hover over a message and click the smiley face icon to add a reaction. You can also click add reaction to search for the emoji you want. The other thing is replying in a thread. This is crucial for keeping channels tidy. When a message sparks a conversation, you should reply in a thread. Hover over the message you want to reply to and click the reply in thread icon. It looks like a speech bubble. All your replies will be neatly organized within the thread. The fourth step is to explore and organize your work. Find and join channels. That's the first one. Slack is full of channels. Use the channels section in the sidebar to browse for channels you are interested in. You can join channels related to your projects, departments, or even social topics. Now also you can search for anything. Slack's search is incredibly powerful. You can search for messages, files, or even people. Use filters like from at username in hash channel name or hash link to narrow down your results like this. Use your saved items as well. This is a great way to manage your to-do list. If you see a message you need to action later, click the three dots icon and select save. You can view all your saved items by clicking the saved items tab in the sidebar. Now, these are some of the pro tips for beginners. Leave channels. Don't be afraid to leave channels that are no longer relevant to you. This reduces the noise and helps you focus on what's important. You can always rejoin a channel if you need to. Use also your own DM. You have a personal DM with yourself at the top of your DM list. Use it as a scratch pad for notes, reminders, or to share links to yourself. Also, get the desktop app. While this web version is great, the desktop app provides a more stable experience and better notification management. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.